Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Asset Management Report. Today is Wednesday, December 17, 2008. U.S. Trust Bank and asset manager Northern Trust will dismiss 450 jobs or 4% of its employees. The Financial Times reports that the dismissals will start in January and that Northern Trust expects to take a charge of $20 to $25 million to cover severance and benefits costs pertaining to the cuts. The move is expected to generate $50 to $60 million in savings. Staying with asset management news, Wasatch Advisors has acquired the 3 First Source Monogram funds. P&I reports that the 3 funds will be renamed as the Wasatch First Source Income Equity Fund, the Wasatch First Source Long Short Fund, and the Wasatch First Source Income Fund. The firm declined to disclose the terms of the transaction. And in more asset management news, the government of Norway and of Ireland will use their national pension reserves for fiscal stimuli in early 2009. IPE reports that Norway's Prime Minister said the country's government pension fund Global will be utilized to fund building and infrastructure sectors. The Irish Finance Department may support an estimated €10 billion recapitalization of financial institutions through its €18.7 billion National Pensions Reserve Fund. And in other asset management news, the Securities and Exchange Board of India is discussing the issue of increasing borrowing limit of a mutual fund from the existing 20% to 40% of the net assets of a scheme for a 6-month period. Business Standard reports that this is to enable them to meet temporary liquidity needs like repurchase, redemptions, or payment of interest on dividend. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Asset Management channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.